This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950. I want to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to connect this printer to the power, fill up the ink tanks, load paper, and align the printer. So first of all, take the power cable, connect it to the back of the printer, to this port. Then plug the cable to the power. The next thing to do is switch the printer on from this button. Then wait. We'll show you Epson. Select your language. To select your language, use up or down arrow to select your language. If you look from the screen, you will see that English is picked up. So the next thing you need to do, you need to select OK to the language. So use up or down to select the language, then select OK. You can easily set up using the app for mobile device, then select OK. Do you want to set up from mobile device? I'm going to select no, so you scroll down to select no. If you want to set it up with mobile device, then you need to select yes, then install Epson Smart Panel, no. Then you select OK. Customer research information, going to go back, and it will show you preparing. See the start here sheet for initialization. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to fill up the ink tank. So open the ink tank, then open up black ink tank, then take the ink bottles, so fill up black ink tank, then you go in, the next on the list is cyan. And also you need to keep an eye on the screen for the ink tank. This is transparent white plastic so that you can see the gauge. So you can see the ink is up to the top level. So I'm going to remove this. Then close the cover. Open up cyan. Then take the bottle and go in. Fill up the cyan. So you just need to keep an eye on the color. So cyan is done. Going to remove it. Close the cap. Open up magenta. Then take magenta bottle. Fill up magenta tank. Magenta is done. Going to remove it. Remove the bottle. Then close the cover. The last but not the least, yellow. Open up the cover. Then take yellow. Fill up yellow ink tank. This is mess free. Yellow is done. Going to remove the bottle. Close the cap. So make sure you cover all the caps properly. So close this. See the start here sheet to complete initialization. So you need to press this so that it will warm up the ink tank. So press and hold this button for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start initialization. Confirm that the tank is filled with ink. Press this button to start initialization. So initialization will take about 11 minutes. Initialization is taking place. Now I want to show you how to load paper. This is 4x6 photo paper plus semi-glossy 4x6 or 10 by 15 centimeter. To load paper, you need to make sure the printable area face up. And also you need to adjust this on the screen. So if you go to the rear paper tray, then you load the paper. This is 4x6. Printable area need to face up. Then adjust this with paper guide or paper clip. This black and blue paper clip. So this is 4x6 photo paper. You also need to adjust this on the screen. To load A4, just need to remove this. So take A4 paper, go at the back, then you adjust it. This is A4 paper. You also need to adjust this. Once initialization is complete, then I will show you how to select the paper. So initialization is taking place. You can see the line is progressing. The line is getting to the end. Initialization is still taking place. The line is getting almost reaching to the end of the process. Initialization complete. Then you select OK. Adjust to the optimum print quality for the paper used. If you scroll down, then it will show you load A4 paper size plain paper, which we have done. So we have loaded the paper. The next thing to do, you need to select start. Basically, it's going to align the print head. Select start. We show you printing. And it's going to bring out the paper. So this normally open up so that the paper will rest on top. Place the alignment pattern on the scanner, then select start. So you open up the scanner, take the alignment paper with this black spot. Need to start from this button where you see arrow. So with the paper printed out, face down, make sure it starts from the bottom where you see arrow. The black spot on the paper need to start from the bottom. Then close the cover. Select the start button to proceed. So it's scanning the alignment page. The adjustment is complete. Then select OK. Then you discard this paper. Then it will show you the product uses the following network function to send data. Then you select OK. Scan and save file to computer. Then scroll up and select allow if you want to scan document to computer. So you need to allow this. Select allow, select OK. You can make network settings from Wi-Fi network. Then you select OK. Then it will show you copy. This is the main menu. Copy up to 11 menus. So you can scroll to the side to go to scan. So you just need to scroll to the side and go to settings, Wi-Fi network, etc. Once you finish, then you go back. So this is how to set this printer up, the full setup guide. Thank you very much indeed.